Continuing its mission of celebrating leadership, WBR Corp hosted the India Excellence Summit and Awards in New Delhi. The highlight of the evening was the presence of legendary cricketer Mr. Sunil Gavaskar, who graced the occasion as the chief guest and felicitated the awardees. The ceremony also witnessed the presence of eminent dignitaries and media personnel, including Shri Ashwini Choubey Ji, former Minister of State for Health, Government of India.
सम्मान किया गया।
मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई कि हमारे वेब जर्नलिस्ट एसोसिएशन की ओर से उसके अध्यक्ष के रूप में हमारे श्री आनंद कौशल जी बड़े ही पुराने पत्रकार के रूप में पत्रकारिता के जगत में लंबे अरसे से इनका अनुभव रहा है। और आज मैंने देखा कि जहाँ हेल्थ केयर पर भी आप अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, जहाँ एक पॉजिटिव वे में मीडिया को कैसे फेक मीडिया से बचाया जा सके। और मैं जानता हूँ कई बार कितनी कष्ट होती है, कितने परेशान होते हैं लोग। तो ये सबसे बड़ा न्यू मीडिया को जो आपने विकसित किया है, फेक मीडिया से बचा करके एक सार्थक समाचार कैसे पॉजिटिव वे में जनता में जा सकती है, ताकि लोगों में किसी प्रकार का कोई इस प्रकार का डायलमा ना रहे। तो एक तो इस पर काम कर रहे हैं, दूसरा जर्नलिस्ट का स्वास्थ्य भी अच्छा हो, उसके लिए हेल्थ केयर का भी आपने बहुत बड़ा काम। और आज इतने बड़े होटल में कार्यक्रम पूरे देश का मैंने जहाँ डॉक्टर जितने आए थे, लगभग 60-70% डॉक्टर मेरे परिचित निकल गए, जिनका मैंने कभी कैंसर में कभी कहीं उनको मैंने पुरस्कार पहले भी दे चुका है। कई लोग कभी पूजा जैसी वो भी हमारी बहुत पहले मिली हुई है। तो मुझे बहुत गर्व है कि आज जितने लोग हैं परिवार के साथ आए हैं, डॉक्टर समुदाय भी आए हैं, सारे पत्रकार बंधु हैं और न्यू जनरेशन है, युवा शक्ति, राष्ट्र शक्ति, यूथ पावर, नेशन पावर। मुझे लग रहा है कि आपके माध्यम से जो जयप्रकाश जी कहा करते थे, सार्थक पॉजिटिव वे में पत्रकार जगत में जैसे राजनीति में शुचिता का स्थान आवश्यक है, उसी प्रकार पत्रकारिता में पीत मीडिया को, जो पीत पत्रकारिता है उसको भी और फेक मीडिया को कभी आगे नहीं बढ़ने देना है। और ये आप जर्नलिस्ट एसोसिएशन जो है ये काम कर रहे हैं, इसके लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ। वेब जर्नलिस्ट एसोसिएशन
The ceremony also featured the official launch of E=MC², the latest book authored by Mr. S.K. Sahu, Chairman, WBR Corp. The conclave served as a vibrant platform for industry leaders, entrepreneurs, innovators, and change-makers to connect, collaborate, and celebrate the spirit of Indian enterprise. Awardees hailed from a wide range of sectors, including education, healthcare, technology, manufacturing, real estate, hospitality, finance, and social service, representing the dynamic diversity of India's economic and social ecosystem. Over the years, WBR Corp has championed meaningful dialogue, cross-border collaborations, and platforms that recognize excellence in its many forms. Ladies and gentlemen, the award is for Excellence in Outstanding and Most Innovative Agriculture Development 2025, and it goes to Shrayan Agri Solutions Private Limited.
So I am Falguna Rao, Managing Director, Shrayan Agri Solutions Private Limited. This is the company which is giving very good products to the soil, which are helping the crops and farmers really getting without having any chemical hazards to the farmers and the people who are using this product. So the quality of the product and the way we are serving the farmers and educating farmers. So what are the chemicals which are giving very hazardous and not good for the health. So our products are giving good quality and safe to the crop and the people who are using these products. So one is the hard work and giving good quality to the customers. The products which we are giving is very safe. So really this is amazing and really good. So helping us to promote ourselves and giving good. Yeah, we are feeling so great. So really, when I started this business earlier, I was an employee and I started business. Really, initially we had so many hiccups, and after that, really it made me a lot to establish this industry. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, the award is for Emerging Fitness and Sportswear Company of the Year, Andhra Pradesh, and it goes to Vikram Sports.
Yeah, we are Vikram Publishers, and we are into publication business more than 50 years, serving students, community and teachers and schools and institutions. And we have recently started Vikram Sports to encourage students for fitness and wellness, because education is not only the thing, student has to be very healthy and all the stuff. See, we listen what customer want and students needs. And also we are always customer centric. We always take their feedbacks and we change the content as per their need. So that's the reason Vikram Publishers are away from the competitors and success in the industry. At the same time, Vikram Sports also having so much of sports items, and we are having so many multiple stores all over Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Yeah. So the key factor is like we always see the market and what customer requires, and we always change as per their requirements, and we take feedbacks of customers, and that's the reason we are industry leader. The company started from my father, and I joined in my company, and then we are second generation, and we are doing successfully.
Ladies and gentlemen, the award is for leaders in luxury travel to Indian subcontinent, and it goes to Explore India Journeys Inc.
My name is Nasir Karnai and I'm the president of Explore India Journeys in Vancouver, BC.
So what makes you stand out in this competitive industry?
Well, it's very, very hard to stand out. So we don't actually sell tours, we sell experiences, and we do take care of each and every guest like a member from the family. And we do take care of every guest when they're in this part of the world in India, because it's very complex and you can't go to India on your own. So being in this part of the world, it is complicated, and we have exceptionally well-trained staff, incredible team members, one of the top-notch guys that really look after our guests like a member of our family. So that's what really stands us out.
That's really inspiring. So what key factors do you build for your success?
I would say our entire team of Explore India, they work tirelessly, day night, day out, to provide the best experience to the guests, answer their phone calls, to answer their emails, and I would credit the success of the entire team of Explore India Journeys.
So last question for the day. How was the experience for WPI?
Well, it was a great experience, and we're so delighted, and honored to be here, and it's beyond words and beyond everything. It's really great, and it's an honor to be here. So I would say they're such a great company. Incredible.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the award is for Fastest Growing Cloud Communications, Collaboration and AI-Driven Communication Solutions Company of the Year, and it goes to Ring Central Innovation, India, Private Limited.
So my name is Satish. I am SVP of Engineering and General Manager, Ring Central India. Ring Central is a global cloud communications, collaboration and contact center solutions. We help organizations with their business communication needs. That makes Ring Central and Ring Central India stand out. First and foremost is how rapidly we can face disruptive technology. Right now, it's an AI first approach. How focused we are on customer needs. We call ourselves a customer-led innovation organization. And the culture that we have on Ring Central, we operate at the pace of a startup while building world-class enterprise-grade software solutions. A few key factors, right? We have been with this cloud communication business for over 25 years, and we have been keeping pace and sometimes ahead of how the technology landscape is evolving. Our products and solutions are built keeping our customer needs in mind. We drive a lot of our technology and program based on customer needs. And despite being a large organization, we have maintained some of the key cultural aspects that have helped us over the years. Being agile, being nimble, empowering teams, and the leadership style all the way from the top demonstrates empathy, demonstrates ownership, and that has helped us stay ahead of the curve. First and foremost, I want to thank WBR Corp for inviting us over here. This is a great opportunity for us, not just to demonstrate the Ring Central brand, but it gives us an opportunity to meet leaders from other walks of life, other industries. This is a great networking opportunity, great opportunity to build our brand. So I really appreciate being invited. Thank you.
The award is for Visionary Leader in Hospitality and Real Estate Development, and it goes to Mr. Parveen Saraswat.
अभी मेरे जो नए प्रोजेक्ट हैं वो 2 जगह आ रहे हैं। अभी जिम कॉर्बेट के अंदर मेरा एक ऑलरेडी प्रोजेक्ट चल ही रहा था। अभी एक ऋषिकेश में है, एक राजस्थान में है, और मेरा जो ये प्रोजेक्ट है वो बहुत ही बढ़िया और 5 स्टार रिजॉर्ट है, और 150 रूम्स का ये रिजॉर्ट है मेरा। और ये पूरे ऋषिकेश में अभी तक इतना बड़ा किसी का रिजॉर्ट नहीं। और इसके अंदर हमने एक स्पेशल चीज़ दी है कि हमने इसके अंदर किचन गार्डन बनाया है। आजकल ऑर्गेनिक लोग बहुत चाहते हैं कि हम ऑर्गेनिक चीज़ें खाएं, तो उसके लिए ही हमने इस प्लान को बनाया है कि आप जो भी हमारे रिजॉर्ट पे फूड बनेगा वो ऑर्गेनिक होना चाहिए, और वो हमारे किचन गार्डन जो है उसी से आएगा। हमारे प्रोजेक्ट में हम लोग हमारे साथ कुछ इन्वेस्टर्स जुड़ते हैं जिनको हम कम्प्लीमेंट्री नाइट्स देते हैं, और एक बिग इवेंट देते हैं जो कि मैरिज भी हो सकता है, कोई एनिवर्सरी भी कर सकता है, वो लाइफ में एक टाइम वो उसे ले सकता है, और साथ साथ उसको एक ROI मिलता है। जैसे कि एक प्रोजेक्ट में अगर कोई इन्वेस्ट करता है, एक शॉप में इन्वेस्ट करता है, तो वो शॉप का ऑनर होता है, पूरे मॉल का नहीं होता। लेकिन हमारे प्रोजेक्ट में ये खासियत है कि अगर वो हमारे साथ इन्वेस्टमेंट करता है तो वो इन्वेस्टमेंट करके हमारे पूरे रिजॉर्ट के अंदर हमारे साथ एसोसिएट हो जाता है, पार्टनर बनता है। फ्यूचर के अंदर अभी जो हमारी डेस्टिनेशंस हैं वो हमारा जो टारगेट है अगले 5 साल में मोर देन 20 डेस्टिनेशंस हैं, और हमारे किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट में कोई कहीं भी इन्वेस्टमेंट करे, हमारा यहाँ पर सबसे ज़्यादा मोटिव ये है कि हम हर एक को हर प्रोजेक्ट में वो इन्जॉय कर सकता है, हमारी किसी भी प्रॉपर्टी को इन्जॉय कर सकता है, चाहे वो इन्वेस्टमेंट एक प्रॉपर्टी में करे। ये एक यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट है जिसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा लोग इंटरेस्टेड होते हैं कि उनको कहीं पर भी घूमना है, कहीं भी जाना है, तो उन्हें सोचना ना पड़े, एक प्रॉपर्टी में इन्वेस्टमेंट करके वो मल्टीपल जो है बेनिफिट्स ले सकते हैं।
As WBR Corp moves beyond its 400th event, it stands committed to promoting global leadership, innovation, diversity, and inclusivity, bringing nations and visionaries together on one platform of excellence. This is Z News, bringing you stories that shape tomorrow.